Hi, my name is Kent C. Dodds, and I am really excited to announce that I'm going to be launching the epicai.pro course, Master the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. This is a really exciting course that I'm putting together right now for you so that you can learn the new way that users are going to be interacting with your services through the Model Context Protocol. We're going to be covering everything that you need to know about MCP so that you can build really awesome apps, and that includes not only the basics of the spec with tools and prompts and resources, sampling, elicitation, that sort of stuff, but also we'll be getting into authorization with OAuth 2 and how you can wire up your MCP server with your authorization, your authentication, so that you can identify a specific user and be more useful than just some generic tool, but something that's very specific to a user using the latest and best practices as well as the latest and best tools for building MCP servers. I'm really excited about this because we're going to be doing things a little differently than I typically do with the courses that I've done in the past. And if you have taken any of the courses, you know that I have really great hands-on learning experiences, a really awesome custom-built workshop learning environment. It's really great, but there are a couple of shortcomings. Traditionally, I'll do a live workshop a bunch of times with the material and make sure that it's really good, and then I'll record videos and make it available as a self-paced course. The reason that I do that is, while a live workshop is really great because you have me to talk to and I can answer your questions and all of that, the problem with that is it just doesn't really scale very well. And on top of that, everybody learns at a different pace. And so maybe it's going really slow for you, but it could be going really fast for some other people. And so by making it a self-paced course where you have the videos with me and I know all of the questions that you're going to be asking, I can answer those preemptively, and you've got the instructions and everything to guide you, that works really well as a self-paced course. But the problem with that is now I'm not actually there. My video can't respond to your specific questions, and I've done a pretty good job of making up for that by having office hours. You can come and talk with me, and also the AI assistant with the actually MCP server for the Epic Workshop app is really good at answering your questions right away as well. And I know that a bunch of you have been doing that already, and it's working out pretty well. But it would be really nice to have somebody there, or a group of somebodies there, to help guide you through all of this stuff. And so that is why we're doing this a little differently. Instead of doing this as a self-paced course that you all have access to and you can just go through at whatever pace that you want, we're going to be doing this as a cohort. So you sign up to join the cohort and we're all going through it together. And the content is going to be released incrementally as we go over the course of 2 weeks. So we'll be going through 4 workshops over the course of 2 weeks, with content being released on Monday and Tuesday. And then you get a break on Wednesday, or if you need a little extra time, you get some extra time on Wednesday. And then you have Thursday and Friday additional material will be released. And we'll have an exclusive Discord where you can chat with other people, answer other people's questions, because really that's the best way to learn, is by answering other people's questions. And also ask questions yourself. And I will be there and very actively answering questions. But then on top of that, I will also be doing office hours that are exclusive just for the cohort. And in fact, I will be doing that twice a week, 2 times each day. That way we can deal with time zone issues. That's another one of the problems with the live workshops. So we'll deal with time zone issues. You will do one in the morning, one in the evening for me, and then you can join whichever one, or even both if you want to wake up at 2 in the morning or whatever it is for you. So this is going to be the best of both. You have the material that you can go through at your own pace. You have the instructor who's available there on Discord, as well as the AI assistant, and you have me doing live Q&A and even presentations during the office hours. It's going to be really, really awesome. We'll do a kickoff, we'll do a recap, and then we'll do another kickoff of the next section, and then a final recap on the last Friday. So it's going to be time zone friendly for you. We're going to start this cohort on September 22nd. So you need to sign up before then or you will miss it. We are not going to accept any late signups, and we will start this, we'll launch this together on my YouTube channel and X, and on I'll just broadcast it everywhere on September 5th at 8:30 a.m. Pacific time. So you'll want to join me for that. We'll launch it together, and then you can sign up, and then we'll see you on the 22nd for the first day of the cohort, so that you can get the skills and abilities that you're going to need to get your app into the future with the Model Context Protocol. I'm so excited about MCP. It is the most exciting thing about software development right now because it's the real magnifier and enabler. If you're building an agent, we'll wire it up with MCP, and now it can actually do things and expose an MCP server of your agent, and now other agents can communicate with yours. If you're building a UI, we'll bring it in with MCP UI, and now the users can have natural language and the visuals, the graphic interface that you provide, and use whatever is most appropriate for whatever task they're accomplishing. Whatever you're building, you can add natural language to your service that you're offering, so that users can interact with it using the natural language that they're growing increasingly accustomed to. And if you've been paying attention, everybody is jumping on board with this. Just yesterday, ChatGPT launched another really exciting thing that has MCP support. So lots of really exciting things going on with MCP. It really is the future for delivering your services to users, and I'm here to teach you all about it. So join me next week for the live stream. I can't wait to see you there.